Or
Yeah, a to the power 0.
a to the power of 0 and a to the power of minus n.
Exponent. Negative exponents, we discussed these things and we completed few more things. Let me revise those things once again, then we can go with the exercise sums.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, coming to our exercise part. These are the different laws of exponents we discussed. First one is product. If base are same, we need to add your exponents. That's the product rule. And second one is quotient rule. If base is same, you need to subtract your exponent. A to the power m divide with a to the power n is nothing but a power m minus n. And the third law of exponent is power raised to power. A power m whole to the power n is nothing but a power mn. You need to multiply, children. Power raised power means multiply. Division means subtraction. Product means addition you supposed to do for your exponents. And ab whole power m can be written as a to the power m multiplied with b to the power m. And a power 0 is 1.
Ma'am, in a power 0, if the base is negative, like minus 3 to the power 0, so it would be
Any
minus
number,
1.
any a should be not only a should be real number.
So if the base is in the negative form, so the
5 whole to the power 0 is also 1.
okay, not minus 1.
No.
Okay.
That's why the a is here, a value is maybe positive numbers or negative numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. So see here, that's a thing we discussed, and based on that we are completed few more exercise sums too. And we are going with now the rest of the part of what we have not discussed in previous class. I think did we completed this part? No, 1 by 2 whole power minus 1. I think no. These bits, 5 bits we completed. Where we start?
Ma'am, are we doing exercises from
Ma'am, we have to do standard form, I think.
Fourth one or third one?
Ma'am, standard form we have to start.
Standard form, okay.
this one? I think so we have done, ma'am.
No, scientific notation is we are going with a little later. There are few more exercise sums are there. You're supposed to do this because this is not only integrate with exponents and powers. This is integrated with fractions too. Here, let me go with the part of question number 3 here. It's negative exponent. Any number negative exponent can be a by b whole power negative exponent can be written as b by a. You need to make as a reciprocal. So if you make as a reciprocal, what happened? 1 by 2 becomes
2 by 1. 2.
2 by 1. 2 by 1 value is
2.
2. First part is 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2. Next, second one. So this is also a by b whole power minus. Negative exponent is there means you need to make as a reciprocal, children. It's nothing but a 3. 3 by 1 whole square, positive number. Then
3 whole square.
Then
Plus 4 power to the
4 by 1 you can take. So reciprocal is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 whole to the power 1.
1.
So this is 2, this is 9, this is 1 by 4. You know very well, 2 plus 9 is 11.
11 plus 1 by 4.
11 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4. If you write it as a mixed number to improper, 11 4s are 44, plus 1 is 45 by 4. This is the way you can simplify children. And coming to question number 4 is also very same, but only the thing they are a little bit. So by what number b divided to attain? So you need to see, children, minus 2 by 3. It's very important question to children. Whole to the power 5. What number you're supposed to divide to get the result as a negative 2 by 3 whole cube? So like that you need to frame an equation, children. So for that, what you should do, you need to find this unknown part. You can take it as x. If it is divided, if you transpose to other side, what happens? If you transpose to other side, what happens?
Multiplication, ma'am.
Very good. It should be come under multiplication. No, it is divided. Denominator is so suppose this is a divided by b. So we know we want b value. If you want a b value, what you should do? Division portion become multiplication. That's all. So negative 2 by 3 whole cube divide with negative 2 by 3 whole to the multiplied with negative 2 to the 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. Again, if you check, these bases are same, children. If bases are same, it's a product rule. Product rule, bases are same means what you should do? You need to
Add the
add
exponent.
Ma'am, we should add the exponents. So
Yes.
3 by
You
3
need
plus
to
5.
add your
Ma'am.
exponents, right? You need to add your exponents. Once you are adding your exponents,
Ma'am, 3 plus 5, ma'am. So it will
yes.
become 8, ma'am. So minus 2,
negative 2
2 by
by
3
3 whole to the power 3 plus 5. 3 plus
8.
5 is?
Minus 2 by 3 to the power of 8.
This they're asking about any value. I think somewhere we did wrong, children.
Yes, ma'am, I think so.
So division denominator.
Ma'am, when it will be
By what
went
number
to the
should
this
we
side, it will
divide
be
to
division, ma'am.
obtain? By what number should be? By what number negative 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 be divided? No, this is denominator. This is numerator.
Ma'am, you got.
By what
Yes,
number
ma'am. When
negative
we
2 by 3 by 5 be divided to obtain this? Somewhere we did mistake, children. It's not right.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
The
so
simplicity.
we should consider x as 1 by x, ma'am. And here minus 2 by 5.
No
When
need.
we will transfer to that side,
No need.
it
That
will become
part
division.
also no need. What you can see, of course, it is so x.
Ma'am, you wrote the question only. I think so wrong. Yes, ma'am. It's correct only.
So look at the question, children, once again. By what number negative 2 by 3 whole to the power 5 be divided? Means that is denominator should be, numerator should be x or denominator should be x, please. Or else go with as usual question if you have any doubt. So we have a quotient. Quotient is negative 2 by 3 whole to the power. To obtain the quotient, it's a result to obtain negative 2 by 3 whole to the whole cube. That means the result is your quotient. So dividend, negative 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. You need to find the divisor. To find out the divisor, same thing, x divided by y. So if you take as unknown part this, what we are doing is numerator and denominator. Of course, you will leave it a divided by b. Let me write 1 minute, children. Or else you can take as sum a divided by b is nothing but a c. You want b value. That means a by b is equal to c. If you do cross multiplication, what happens? A equal to b into c. I want a b value here. B value means a divided by c you're supposed to do. Yes or no, children? If you want b value, you need to divide a by c. Yes or no? Please listen. If you have such a doubt, children, please go with some part of the same thing you need to do. So this you can take it as x or a. If you have such a doubt, the same doubt what we are having, same doubt, you can go with this value as a, this value as b, this value as c. So a divided by b is equal to c. You need to find b value. This one we don't know. So a by b is c. You want b value means first go with cross multiplication. A equal to b into c. I want only b value. I don't want a c here. So b is nothing but a divided by c. So a divided by c means what is a here?
Ma'am, minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 2 by
Whole
3
power 5 divided by what is
minus 2
C here? C
to the
is,
power 3, ma'am.
yeah.
I'm sure here we should use a
Quotient rule. Once
for-
again, quotient rule. Basis
yes,
are
ma'am.
same. You need to subtract
A
here.
to the power of m divided by a to the
Yes.
power of m.
Yes, you need to subtract the exponents. So if you subtract the exponents, what happened? 2 by 3
A to the power of m
5
minus
minus 3. So minus 2 by 3 whole square. So if it is minus 2, power is 2, that means even number. So even number means your result is a by b whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m. So 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. 4 by 9 is your answer. Children, if you have such a doubt, if anywhere we are doing some error, you please go with some part of linear equation. You frame it, then you can understand more easier. You can understand.
Okay.
Ma'am, what was the mistake in our previous method?
No, we did the same procedure. Only the thing when you are interchanging here, it is division. It is a division. This is denominator. It's not numerator. If it is in numerator, we should multiply. It is unknown part is in denominator. To find unknown, then if see, this is the thing. This a by b can be written as c. So if you are cross multiplied, a is nothing but bc. So we want b value. We don't want a and c. So b is nothing but a divided by c. This is what we did earlier. A by b is nothing but a c. To find out b value, I just multiplied a into c. That was the wrong, children. So go with this. B is nothing but a by c. So here that.
So, ma'am, this unknown value was the denominator, ma'am.
In denominator, that's why we are doing division.
Ma'am, how can we identify its numerator or denominator?
You
Yes.
know unknown part. That's why question you have to read. The question you please read the question once again. By what number should be divided? So divisor is x here. By what number? We don't know that number. Divisor is x. You know the result. Negative 2 by 3 whole cube. By reading the question, you need to frame an equation. Okay. So then
Ma'am, like I'm asking how we can identify the unknown value is the numerator or the
see,
denominator.
that's why I'm telling the right ma. You see here. Unknown, what is your doubt? What's your doubt, ma?
Like you said that the unknown value was the denominator.
Read the question. For a question, if you read the question, please read the question.
Yes, ma'am. By what number minus 2 by 3 to the power 5 be divided to obtain minus 2 by 3 to the power 3?
Obtain means is it a yes or no? Is it a result or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So here by what number should be divided? Divisor is, we don't know divisor, yes?
Yes.
That's why denominator is unknown here. Did you understood? Please once again, if you have such a doubt, please go through the question once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Got
That's
it.
why it is denominator. Next question, you see, this is also most interesting question, children. This type of questions even tested in your IMO examination, continuously given, not the same numerals, but they changed the numerals and variable, but a similar type of questions will be tested. So here 2 and base here 8. 2 and 8 is not the same. But 2 and 8 can be expressed in any other way. 8 can be expressed in the form of. So by looking
power 2 power
yes,
3.
8 can be expressed 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means can
2
be.
power 3. 2 power 3.
Yeah.
I'm sure 2 power 3.
Now go to the question. So what is question here? 2 to the power 2x plus 3 is same as 8 can be written as 2 cube, children.
8 2 cube to the power of 5 plus x.
5 plus 6. This is power raised power. Power raised power means
2 a power m into a power n.
power raised power. A power m whole power m can be written as a power
m into n.
So same thing I applied here. So 2x plus
2x
3
plus
something that 2 to the power.
15 plus x.
Be very careful, children here. Why you should be careful? 3, you need to use bracket because there are two terms. If single term, no need of bracket. There are two terms. So 5 is one term, another term was x. So you need to use your bracket. Now you can see bases are equal. You need to equate your exponents, children. That is one more rule. If bases are same, you need to express, you need to equate your exponents. Yes, in my case, base is same, 2 here. If you check here, 2, 2. So I can equate exponents. 2x plus 3 is nothing but a 3 bracket, 5 plus x. Now bracket outside number should be distributed, both the numbers inside the bracket, children. So now 2x plus 3 is nothing but 3 5s are 15 plus 3x plus 3x.
Ma'am, here have you taken that? Ma'am, here 2 power. Ma'am, here 2 power 2x. No, ma'am, you are writing 2x only.
What more?
Bases are same, so we are taking the exponents.
What with me?
Okay.
If bases are same, you can equate your exponents. That is also rule, children. Please remember. If bases are same, equate exponents.
Ma'am, but here only okay, understood, ma'am. Ma'am, means when we use this a power m, n also, here n also, x also will change, ma'am.
Then once again, it is linear equation only, right, children? Yes or no? This is linear equation.
Okay.
You know very well. How to solve this linear equations? Below it. Are you there? Can you please solve this linear equation?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am, Ritvik?
Wait.
Yes,
let them get the students to be rest. Yes, Ahalya. Aman.
Ma'am, I think answer is.
Aman, are you there in the classroom or not? We not get the voice immediately when I'm calling. Someone gave chat. Yes, Vilohit is there. Vilohit, can you please solve that linear equation by transposing method? You need to transpose variables one side and numerical part other side. So probably you can take this side or that side. Both the sides are same. So 15 minus
15 minus 3.
3. So minus x is?
Minus x equal to 8. 12. Sorry.
X is minus
X equal to minus 12.
Right. 15 minus 3. So minus x is 12, right? X is minus 12, my dear. X is minus 12. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 12. So please, in that way, you are supposed to do. Children, this is one more. The same type of question. Ishan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
See, question number 6, please. What is the first step you're supposed to do in question number 6?
Ma'am,
Is it bases are same? No.
ma'am, bases are the same.
No, we cannot. Why? Because so it is a ratio is given. It's a proportion. A is to B is as C is to D. We know that A is to B is as C is to D. Can be written as A by B equal to C by D. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I write this as a division portion, so base part quotient rule we can apply. So 3 to the power 2x divide with 3 to the power.
Yes, ma'am. After
So is it a quotient rule? Quotient rule, what you should do? You need to subtract your exponents. Yes or no? Children, in quotient rule, because base part is the same.
Yes, ma'am. 2x
Yes,
minus
ma'am, you
x
have to
minus
subtract.
5.
Yeah,
X
you
plus
need
5.
to subtract.
3 to x minus x plus 5.
2x minus x minus 5. Very good. So 2x minus
X minus 5.
x minus 5. Very good. X minus 5. So which is nothing but 1 by 7. That is also more important, right?
1 by 20.
No, 1 by 7, 1 by 27. Let me write the part, right? There are two terms. So here this A by B can be written as 3 to the power x minus 5 and C by D can be written as 1 by 27. Can I write this as How I supposed to write this? 27 can be written as, how I supposed to write? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Can I write as 3 cube, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 by 3
I
cube,
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 3 cube I can write. Even this can be written as 3 to the power, if I sent the numerator, so I can write a negative exponent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this now come on children, please equate your LHS to RHS. X minus 5 is nothing but 3 to the power negative 3. If bases are same, shall we go with if bases are same, can we equate what?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, not.
Equate the exponents.
Come on, please equate here. X minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So transpose other numerical part. Minus 5 become plus 5. So negative 5, 3 plus 5 is positive 2. So X value is
X is 2.
2. See children,
Can you explain this again, ma'am? I didn't understand.
this part, okay, sure. We'll take one.
And ma'am, for like 27, you're taking 3
Ma'am,
cubes. So is
I
that
will.
necessary, ma'am?
I will.
Ma'am,
let me help you.
why this is necessary, ma'am? Like we can do A into D, right, ma'am, and B into C.
No,
Extreme power,
listen,
extremes means.
listen, this is the question given. 3 to the power 2x is to, A is 3 to the power x is to 3 to the power x plus 5 or x minus 5
X plus 5, ma'am.
X plus 5, ma'am.
is equal to 1 is to 27. By looking this, you can see A is to B is equal to C is to D. Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
This A is to B can be written as fractional form A by B, and C is to D can be
C
written
by
as
D.
C by D. The same
Ma'am, but,
can be.
ma'am,
Yes.
but in a
Listen, first listen, you will definitely get it. So this is 1 by 27. In this case, I am just 27 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 can be written as 3 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube. So this can be written as, it is in the form of, on left side it is in the form of a power m divided by a power n, because if you see base here 3, here 2 3, and exponents are different, we need to subtract the exponents. That is from left side. So this is you can go with 3 to the power 2x minus bracket you can take because there are two terms, you need to take x. More than one term means you need to use your brackets. This can be written as 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube. Now, if I expand this 2x minus x minus 5 is nothing but 1 by 3 cube. Any number, negative exponent can be written as 1 by a cube. And yes or no, children? Based on this, using this 1 by 20, 1 by 3 cube can be written as 3 to the power minus 3. Using this law of exponent, I can write 3 to the power minus 3. Now, you need to simplify further left side. 2x minus x is x minus 5 is nothing but 3 to the power minus 3. If bases are same, you need to equate exponent. Base same means you need to equal exponents. It's based on that rule. I'm equating my exponents here. So x minus 5 is minus 3. So if minus 3 transposes to other side, it becomes a plus 3. It's a negative 3 plus 5. Opposite signs, you need to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. X value is 2 here.
Ma'am, the power minus 3 is there, right?
X value is 2.
Ma'am, 3 power minus 3 is there, right?
3 power?
Minus 3 is there, right?
Yeah, that's why exponent should be
Okay.
minus 3 only I'm taking.
Ma'am, can you zoom out a little bit? I will just note it down.
Okay, 1 minute. Even if you have any doubt, please let me know. I want now if everyone can be understood, please raise your hand so that I can understood my children are getting it. Or else I will go with one more time. Please raise your hand, children. If you have raised your action, Ahalya, Yes, Ritvik Reddy, right. Naga Chaitanya, Akshit, wonderful Ayesha. I did not get others to Pranav, Lovitesh, very good. Aman is not responding means there, yes. Jnana Saryu, very good. And I did not get a response from Shiva Pranav also given. And what about Harini P and Harini?
I got disconnected, ma'am. What were you doing?
Oh, you did not listen.
Ma'am, I have joined just now, ma'am. Can you say what were you
No,
discussing?
ma'am, I had joined before, but I just got disconnected. Then I
Okay,
just
you both are missed the class. Okay, and I can see here Harini P is understood. I did not get answer from Aman and Sri. Aman and Sri, I did not get the answer. Please, Aman, are you there in the classroom or simply sitting and playing the games? Aman, please
Ma'am, what is
respond
the
if you are
question?
there. Please respond. Aman, did you understood? Who are not respond the class? Really so sad. I did not get Aman voice. Actually, he is unmuted and speaking something. Unmute and speak, Aman.
Can you hear me?
I did not get your voice, Aman. Please message me what you suppose. Did you understood? Please raise your hand. Okay. Gohit and Jnana sir, you please.
Yes,
listen.
ma'am.
Yeah, Gohit and Harini, please listen. I'm explaining once again. This is the question was given. Gohit, are you able to see my?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the question given to you. By looking this part, what you can understood, it is in the form of A is to B is as C is to D.
Yes, ma'am.
So A is to B can be written as fractional form A by B. We know very well from class 6. So ratio can be
Yes, ma'am.
expressed in the form of fraction to A by A is to B can be written as A by B. What is the definition for ratio? Ratio is nothing but, what is ratio? Comparing things by doing division.
By division.
Yeah. So here A is to B can be written as A by B, then C by D. You just please look at about clearly. So I just expressed A is to B can be written as C by D. So this part A 3 to the power x divided with 3 to the power x plus 5 is nothing but 1 by 27. Now here bases are same. If bases are same in x division rule. So quotient rule, what we need to do, children, you need to subtract your exponents. Subtract means m minus n. But in denominator, there are two terms. X is one term and 5 is a constant term. There are two terms, so I used bracket here because when I subtracted, if I'm not going to use my bracket, I may get chances to, because children generally what they will do, the mistake, 2x minus x, they will do plus 5. This is absolutely wrong, children, because this is two terms, you need to use your bracket. So 2x minus x minus into plus is minus 5 is nothing but 1 by 3 cube. 1 by 3 cube can be written as 3 to the minus 3 to the power minus 3. Why? Because we know the formula very well. Any number negative exponent can be written as 1 by positive exponent the same way. So here 3 power 1 by 3 cube can be written as 3 to the power minus 3. So I did this
Ma'am,
part.
yeah, we are using the reverse formula.
Reverse. This is given, we are using this. So this is given, so we are using instead of that. Now go to the next step. So after subtracting 2x minus x, we are getting only x minus 5 on left side and right side 3 to the power minus 3. Once again, you can use here base is 3, here to base is 3. If bases are same, what we can do, children? We need to equate our exponents. Exponents means powers. You need to So here power is x minus 5 and right side is minus 3. So x minus 5 is nothing but minus 3. If you transpose minus 5 to other side, it becomes plus 5. So negative 3 plus 5 becomes positive 2. This is the way we can simplify it. This complete, no raise option. Okay. Go ahead. Did you understood or still any doubt here?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
What are the different laws of exponents we used in this question? Go ahead. There are 3 different laws of exponents. What are those? Quotient rule we used. A power m divided by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. This is one rule we used. And a is to b can be written as it's not rule, a by b. This is another part we used. And a power minus n can be written as 1 by a power n. These are the based on these 3 rules, 3 conditions we completed. This is the way you have to do the steps actually. Next standard form we will do little later. Let me go with
Ma'am will go with one standard form, ma'am.
standard form anyway we'll discuss, not yet completed, right? We will go with exercise sums. There are many exercise sums with
Ma'am, we will do quizzes, ma'am.
on this topic, ma.
Yes, ma'am, we'll do. Like in this topic, we'll have it.
Sorry, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Ma'am, in this question, in this topic, we'll have extra questions, like more questions than another topic.
Okay, how many of you want?
Ma'am, you can keep 50 questions, ma'am, and keep teams. You can do.
Only based on loss of exponents. Let me, or else can we discuss a few more questions still? Because there are multiple
Ma'am, we
questions.
can discuss till 40 or 45.
I know.
Concept level, different level question papers with us. So we
I
will,
know, but it's like this is my dinner time. 10 minutes.
సగం గ్లాస్ ఇమ్మ చాలు
Oh, my dinner thing.
అమ్మా
where is it? My children have,
ఏం లేదు మా ఫుల్ గ్లాస్
in the class.
తింటా
No question. We'll go with the exercise level 2. Exercise.
పాలు తాగేస్తుందంట
Children, please unmute your mic.
అసలు
Mic is there.
దానికి పైన ప్లస్ లేదమ్మా ముందు ఇప్పుడు పాలు తాగ మనం ఇప్పుడే న్యూస్ చేద్దాం 9:30కి నేను ఇప్పుడే తినేస్తాను నువ్వు తినాలి నేను తినేస్తాను నేను అంత లేదు
Earlier, mic was unmuted. Thank you so much, Ahilya. Yeah, coming to there are different tricky questions to children. We have just completed only the basic questions right now. If you see the questions here, the same question, 5 to the power n, this is very simple question. Go to the question number 6, children. Go with question number 6. Yeah, can you please do question number 6, children? First bit.
Ma'am,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is easy only, ma'am. So minus 1 by
Very,
3.
very simple, children.
Yes,
Very,
ma'am. Ma'am, minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4.
no, minus y.
Ma'am, when we will evaluate 1 minus
No,
1.
negative exponent is there, so simply 3 by 1 you can write it.
Yes, ma'am. We can write
3
like that.
minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole to the power negative exponent. So what is the value, children? It's really wonderful question. Please, what is your answer? Please try it and put in the chat box. I want all 16 students should be shared your answers through chat.
Ma'am, the first one, right, ma'am?
Yeah, first one.
Ma'am, can you give like 6 minutes?
How many minutes you want to solve this question?
5 minutes.
Sure. Take your time, but I want correct answer. And who completed first one, go with the second question too.
Okay, ma'am.
I did not reveal the answer. A little later I will reveal. Please try it, children. Use your law of exponent here. A by b whole power negative n can be written as b by a whole power positive n. Use this.
Ma'am, I'm sending, ma'am. Can you check it correct or not?
Oh, already sent by the child. Okay. Sorry, Ritik. So sorry. I just kept one law of exponent in the above. Just please use that law of exponent. I got one more answer from other child. Very good, Shiva Pranav. Very good. I did not reveal answer, but the child gave correct answer. I got one more response from my children. Very good, Ayesha. You are correct.
Thank you.
Go with the second bit, children. Who completed? Go with second bit. I got one more. Ahalya, wonderful, good, correct. Come on, I got only 4 responses from my children.
Oh, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm getting one.
Yeah. The rest all are sleeping. Are you sleeping, other students?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Right, Ritvik, very good.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going with the second question.
Yeah. I got one more response from the child. Yeah, she gave for second one. Very good. Even you can simplify further also. Naga Chaitanya, so sorry. Sri, you are correct. You are correct. Good, Sri. Very good. Yes, Ayesha, you too correct. Ahalya, Ayesha, correct. Both are correct. For second bit also they gave answer. Wonderful, both the kids. Ayesha and Ahalya was given. Even Shiva Pranav was correct. Lohitesh, please check your first bit once again. Lohitesh, please check it, Nana. Once again, please check. Right, there are 3 students given the second answer to correct. Shiva Pranav correct. Both are correct. I got Harini, please check once again. Your answer, Harini P, please check it. Naga Chaitanya, please check it. So sorry. My children are confused somewhere. Let me help my children. Can I
Ma'am,
do
I'm
on
confused.
screen?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. The children, it's very, very simple, children. Naga Chaitanya, please respond. Naga Chaitanya. Yeah, 1 by 3 whole power minus 1 can be written as how?
Minus 1 by.
How I supposed to write minus 1 by 3 whole to the power?
Ma'am, minus 1 by 3.
No minus. Only 3 to the power 1 I can write.
Ma'am, but ma'am, we can do like
Listen,
this.
don't argue with me.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think one of my...
Yeah, ma'am. 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, but I got minus 1.
Sri, your second answer to correct, Sri. Good, both are correct.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, total sum I only went wrong, ma'am.
Next, 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1 can be written as 4 to the power 1. Now these two is subtracted here. So 3 power 1 is 3, 4 power 1 is 4. Subtracted and whole to the power minus 1 was given. So this
Ma'am,
is
I did here wrong, ma'am, and I did 12, 1 minus 12, ma'am, so I got.
This is the denominator was not there means you put 1. So 1 by minus 1 whole to the power positive 1. So 1 by whole to the power minus 1 is only 1 by minus 1. It's nothing but minus 1 only, children.
Ma'am, here I did wrong, ma'am, but I got minus 1. How means like 13 minus 14 I got, ma'am. So
How you will get 13 and 14?
ma'am, I did full wrong, ma'am.
That's why I'm telling that. Use your law of exponents. Hope you understood the Vilohit. Vilohit. No, sorry, not Vilohit, Lohitesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, right. Please, if you have any doubts, please let me know, children, how, what way you are doing
Ma'am,
math.
second one, can you tell, ma'am, I'm doing, but I'm not getting.
Yeah, can I explain once again?
Second one, ma'am. Second one.
Second one. Okay.
Ma'am, can you check the answer?
Okay, 1 minute, Harini. I'm going to check your answer. Right, Harini, that's correct only. You're correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, second one was a very simple question, children. Only the logic you need to apply here. Very, very simple. Most simplest. Sorry.
Ma'am, actually, I was about to put -3, but negative sign.
There is your first thing make as a like basis. Like basis means the same basis you have to try. Any chances you can try like that. So that what happens? So here 5 by 8 was there. Here 8 by 5 was there. Quite opposite is there. So immediately, so I can do here 5 by 8 whole to the power -7 as it is I'm writing. And multiplied with here I'm taking as reciprocal. Negative exponent is there. I'm taking
Ma'am, so you can change the sign and you
and
can
make
take
as a positive power. Make as a
Okay, ma'am. So here we can use that a minus n, right?
no a power m.
Ma'am, you can
power-
do that.
a power m into a power n. So a bases are same means product rule. Na bases are same means what you need to do. You need to add your
Ma'am, we should add our
add your
exponents.
exponents.
Ma'am, so -3. 5 by 8 -3.
So 5 by
Ma'am,
8
what I did was,
minus
ma'am,
3. So this is reverse. You can make 8 by 5 whole cube. That's why my students are getting 8 cube is what is 8 cube value?
Ma'am, I haven't doubt, ma'am. Why you did here reciprocal 5 by 8 into 8 by 5?
What is the
ma'am,
formula
I
for
did
8
that to
to be whole
make,
power minus n? You did not read the loss of exponents. How I
ma'am,
supposed to
did
write?
that to make negative power
Okay,
to
ma'am,
positive.
that's what I told. But you're telling, you're told that we
P by
didn't
n
use
to the power
rule, right?
positive n, right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
you told that we didn't use this rule, right?
No, we are using this rule only, my dear.
Yes, ma'am. When I told a minus
Okay,
n,
okay. I did not here, but we are using the same rule. So what is the value of 8 cube? 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8 by 5 into 5 into 5.
Ma'am, I did a different method.
yes, ma'am. First we use the reverse and
Anything
again.
you will get the same answer, children. There are multiple methods. The same answer
Yeah.
will get. Go with
Ma'am, instead of multiplication sign, I took it as division sign.
okay, very good. That's also correct. Go with question number 7. First 2 bits, please try, children.
Seventh one, ma'am. Ma'am, this is also easy.
Yes, ma. Yes. So simple, children. You need to check anywhere there is a bases are not same. Possible basis we can shift. You can see and try it. I can start that on the screen. Please, this is a different question. Please look at the screen, children. But easy one only. Very easy one. 7th question.
No need to do, ma'am. Will do.
Try it. You can try your own. Who are not able to do, please look at the board and try to understood.
It will take quite some time.
Yeah, you can. You can take your own time. Try your own, children. That's always welcome. It's multiplied with 10 to the power -8. So in this case, these two are bases same. No need to tension here. We can easily subtract the exponents in this case. But here only we have something, something. What is that something? So 5. This also, if you transpose to numerator, what happened? Positive 5 cube. Yes or no? Denominator 5 minus means if you go to numerator, it is positive. Yes or no, children? Or else you can take a 25 can be written as
25 can be written as 5 square.
Yes.
5 square by 5 minus 3.
And 10 can be written as 5 into 2.
10.
Ma'am, sign.
And this is the division can be someone, my student gave answer. Very good. Let me check who are giving answer. Yes, Harini, I think I did not see, but hope maybe you are correct.
Ma'am, I send the answer to check.
Ayesha, I got your answer. Very good.
Ma'am, t power minus 4.
In this -4.
Sorry, ma'am. No, ma'am. Positive 4, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is t.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
no, ma'am. Positive. Yes.
ma'am,
It
t
is
by
+8, children. Why it is +8?
ma'am, so it is 4, ma'am.
Minus
Ma'am,
of minus is plus, ma'am.
ma'am, in 5 power 5 into t power 4, ma'am, by 5 into 2, ma'am. Ma'am, here 5 into 2 again, it will be simplified as 5 by 4.
5 by
Sorry,
4?
5 power 4, sorry.
No, 5 power 2.
Children, listen.
It is
You
negative
have
3 over
simple
there.
technique here. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 square can be written as 5 cube. This is -5 to 5 into 2 into t to the power 4. T to the power 4.
Ma'am, so it will be 5 to the power of 5 only, no, ma'am.
No. Yeah. You can see here 5 get cancelled, children. Sorry. You can check here 5 on numerator and denominator both will be cancelled. This 5 and this 5. You can make it as a cancel. Try it, children. Please simplify.
It in another way, ma'am. 5 power 2 divided by 5 power minus 3. So I got 5 power 5.
Correct.
How can you get 5 power 5?
When you will divide, you will use the quotient form, and 5 power 2 minus 5 power minus 3 minus
What is the doubt here? What is the doubt here? Any doubt? The 5 and 5 get cancelled on numerator and denominator. This
So what is your final answer?
if denominator negative, that's 5 to the power 4, ma. 5 to the power 4 divided by t to the power 4 by 2 you will get. This can be written as, even you can write it as.
Yes, ma'am. That only I got, ma'am.
You can write this 2 as 2 to the power -1, 5t whole power 4. You can write in different ways, children, or else you can expand and write the value. Here they're asking simplify means you need to expand. If you expand,
ma'am, so I'm getting answer as 10t by 4, ma'am.
625 divided by 2. This is your answer, children. Final answer is by 2t to the power positive 4. This is your answer.
Ma'am, but I got an answer 2 into t power 4.
Ma'am, can you explain again, ma'am?
This question,
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, so like if you're doing 5 square, minus 5 square, ma'am, right? Because -3 plus 1 will be 2.
This is denominator is 8, right, ma'am?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Mama understood, ma'am.
Denominator is 8, right?
Denominator is 8. So when minus comes plus, so -4 and 8, it will become 4, ma'am. T by 4 and 5.
Let me take a new screen so that I can help you once again. See, what is the question here? 25 multiplied with t to the
power minus
4 divided by 5.
5 power minus 3 into 10 into t
multiplied
power
with t to the power -8.
-8.
These two parts are bases are same, Mama. Quotient rule you can apply. A power m divided by a power n.
T power 4.
A power n minus
n. So minus to the minus, it will become plus. And t power 4.
-4 plus 8. This is nothing but t power
4.
8.
Ma'am,
4.
4, ma'am. 4. Ma'am, and also we can.
This part is over. Now this part is what you are getting, t to the power 4.
4.
So this rest of the part 25 can be written as
5 square.
5. This is 5 cube. 10 can be written as 5 into 2. So you can cancel this part too. If you
Otherwise, we can write 5 square and 5 square quotient rule.
5 power 1. This is 5 to the power -3. This is again bases are same. Quotient rule. You can minus of -3 become 5 to the power.
You get 5 power 4.
Yeah. So this is 5 plus 3, 5 to the power 4.
5 power
4. 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 625. And 625, 2 minus 1, we can convert it
denominator we have again 2 children. 6
so we can convert into
3 to the power 4. This is your final answer.
one doubt, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, I did in the way like first I took 25 5 square and quotient rule I used 5 square and
Here,
5.
who gave correct answers? Let me give. Sri was given correct answer, and
But I didn't give,
Sean
ma'am. 1 minute.
and Ayesha was given correct. And power 6 divided by power 4 divided by 2. 3 to the power 4. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, it's like to the power 4 divided by 2. It's not 4 by
You
2.
tried. Okay, right. There are many students was given correct answer.
Ma'am, but I haven't doubt, ma'am.
Which question, repeat?
This one only, ma'am. Ma'am, first I did like 5 to the power of 2, ma'am. And I used the quotient rule 5 power 2 and 5 power minus 3. So I got 5 power minus 5. And when I used the 5 into...
No, how you will get? That's why you're when you're doing and see what you're telling, ma'am, instead of this I wrote this is the way. So what I did, so I did subtract 2 minus of minus.
Yes, ma'am. Becomes 5 power 5.
5 power 5, right? Right. That is
and 5 power 5 and 10 into 2, 5 into 2, ma'am. Again, I simplified 5 power 5
divided by
1.
10 divided by 10 into t to the power 4. Right.
Yes. 5 into 2 I took, ma'am.
This
Again,
you are writing as 5 into 2.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. And
Again,
I did 5 power 1 minus 5 power 5.
Yes, those are 5 to the power
5 power 4 and into t by 4 by 2.
Yeah, into t by 4 divided by 2, right? This is also same like what you are
625 t by 4 by 2.
Yeah, that is also correct. There are many ways you can get the same answer with different ways also. Any doubt regarding to this class student? Any doubt to this question?
Ma'am, in the question rule, if the exponent is different, we should add it.
Exponents are bases are same, whether it is quotient rule or product rule or power raised power rule, you can check. That's all, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which rule you are applying? Go to the question number 2 here, children. Question number 2 is also very interesting question. It's really interesting. Instead of 125, you can write it as 5 cube. So how we can write instead of 5 cube 125, children? By looking the question only, you can assess. There are in terms of 5 and 10 can be expressed as 5 into 2. And there is any
10 yes, ma'am. 10 can be expressed 5 into 2. 125 can be expressed 5 power 3. And 6 can be expressed 3 into 2.
3 into 2. Yes. Now you
ma'am, here 10 5 into 2, 2 will be cancelled. Ma'am, these 2 questions I will do and show you tomorrow.
Yeah. 3 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 5. Let me go with that question, children. We'll finish that and we can end the class today. What is the question?
Ma'am, I've sent the answer. Can you check?
Minus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5.
Yes.
Into 125.
Yes.
By 5 power minus 7 into 6 power minus 5.
Yes. 5
power minus 7 and into 6 power minus 5.
Yeah. This was the question. By looking the question, you can, what are the first thing you need to check, children? So 3 as it is, I'm writing, children, 3 power minus 5 as it is, sorry, this is positive 3. 3 power minus 5 as it is, I'm writing. Then 10 can be written as 5 into 2.
5 power 2.
5 to the power of 2 whole to the power of minus 5.
And 125 can be written as 5 cube divided by 5, because 5 if you multiply it 3 times, you get 125, children. So that's why I can write instead of 125, 5 cube.
And so 2 into 3.
Denominator is 5 power minus 7. 6 can be written as 6. How I supposed to write?
And 2 into 3 to the power of minus 5. Equal to the bracket.
Now I can use A multiplied with B whole power m can be written as A power m into B power m. So these two things I expanded. So 3 to the power minus 5. This is 5 to the power minus 5. 2 to the power minus 5. 5 to the power 5 cube divided by 5 to the power minus 7. This can be 3 to the power minus 5, 2 to the power minus 5. Once you are getting this step, any product rule you can find. This is 5 base, this is 5 base. Yes, we can simplify further. So using product rule, I can add my exponents of -5 and +3. This based on and
Yes, ma'am. 3 minus 5 and yes, ma'am. We can do this.
yeah, we can. Now you can write it as 5 power -7 and 3 to the power -5 and 2
5.
to the power -5. By seeing only 2 to the power -5 get cancelled, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Also 3 power -5, 3 power -5 get cancelled.
can cancel.
Very good. 3 power -5, 3 power -5 get.
Ma'am, the leftover is 5 to the power of -7 and 5 to the power of
5 power -2 on numerator. Denominator is 5 power -7. This is again
ma'am, so 5 power -7.
You get 5 power 5.
very good. 5. Very good. Right. Minus is
Yes, ma'am. It's correct.
+7. So 2 + 7,
5
5.
power -2 by 5 to
power
the power of -7
Right. This
and
is
5 to the power of -2
Right.
minus of -7.
very good. Very good. Once child is given correct answer, very active.
Ma'am, 5 power 5, ma'am, answer.
Good. Ayesha was given even expanded and she gave
Yes,
3125 was the correct, right, Ayesha? Because
5 power 5 and the answer is
yes, 5
3125.
right, 3125 is correct. If they're asking to simplify means you can go ahead. Shall I?
Ma'am, can you zoom out this? I
Yeah,
will
sure,
take.
sure, ma'am, sure.
Ma'am, actually I did this question, ma'am. In our textbook it is there.
Yes, no?
Ma'am, actually I did these 2 questions, ma'am, in my textbook.
Completed already. You completed.
No, ma'am, when you start only.
But I practice, I'm telling.
There are few more questions today. That's all for the day, children. If you have any doubts, please share your doubts and so that I can help you, or else we can end up the session.
Okay, ma'am.
Any
Doubts,
doubts?
ma'am.
Children, please, if you have any doubts, open your mouth and or else put your message as IDK so that I can help. Don't sit like rocks, work like a clock. Yes, did you started your
Questions in our textbook, we have less exercises, ma'am. Only we have 2.
In this, if flex exercises also, there are more chances to make mistakes for this children.
Yes,
Only
ma'am. I
we-
did exercise 1, but I didn't did exercise.
Practice only makes this very confident on this chapter, children. And base laws are very important. These only these laws we are using frequently. Product,
A to the power of m minus 1.
yeah, product
Rule, quotient rule, and
power raised power rule, negative exponent rule. These are main thing. These are, and AB whole power m can be written as A power m, B power m. Get to the power 0 is 1.
To the power of 0 is 1.
Not only this, beyond from this, A by B whole
To the
power
power of
minus
-n.
n can be written as B by A whole power
B by A by n.
whole power n. This is the most things we are using. Not that. That's all, children. That's all. 1 by A power n.
Ma'am, if the question is B by A by n, we can use this reverse, right?
Division rule, subtraction, quotient rule. Division rule. We need to subtract.
A power m minus n
Rule,
and A power 0 is equal to 1.
power raised power means
A to the power of m into n.
from multiply the exponents. Any number raised power 0 is always 1. These are, yeah. Please, every day when you are coming to the class, you need to revise this laws of exponents and come to the class. Beyond from that, we have one more rule. AB whole power m can be written as A power m multiplied with B
B
power
power
m.
m. Ma'am, as we used in this one.
Yeah, we are continuously using this.
Yes, ma'am. Continuously we are using all this A to the power of A to the A into B power m.
Ma'am, it's like multiplication.
Yes. Any doubt, my dear children?
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Till we end up the session?
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, children. Today we are not going to give any quizzes, so that the next class we will play quizzes. So let me complete the chapter. One more
Ma'am, have a
class, I
great
think
day.
we can complete this chapter one more class, but it needs a lot of exercise because the standard form only left in this chapter. Today I will post some homework part with you children in the group. Please complete that homework. And the next class we are going with the standard form or the scientific notation.